Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. And today I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I've got my Glam Bag X. And even though I know what's in here, I have forgotten. So I've got a terrible memory. Terrible. It's age and other things. Other things and choices that I have made in my life has affected my memory. So it's kind of great because I'm like a goldfish. Everything seems new after a little while. And this is what it looks like on the inside. I think I'm done. Sorry, it's nothing to sneeze at. Let's see. Here's my little booklet. You got your Glam Bag X little newspaper. And Halsey was, and this is a $55 quarterly box. And this is Halsey, who is famous for being famous, I think. I don't know who Halsey is. But she's got her own makeup. And I've actually used some of it and I like it. And this is what it looks like on the inside. And it tells us the prices, which is great because I can't remember the prices. I'm gonna knock some things over here. Over here, yeah. All right, let's get in here. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we have. Let's try some proper English, right? Right. So the first thing I pull out is something that I did choose, which is Lash Treat from Treats. And this is a lash growing serum. And let me see if I can find it. Oh, I'm so out of sorts. Doesn't matter. Doesn't really matter how much it is. I don't think so. But anyway, I got this great lash serum. Like my box value is like $354. So it's very good. With the things that I can see easily, I will tell you the price of. Let's open this cute little pouch. That'll make it easy for me to keep it from getting lost in all my clutter. That is very nice. And I'll start using this right away. And it's got a cute little brush. And I've also found, even though it's probably not prescribed, but some of these you can put on your eyebrows and get your eyebrows to grow too. You know, if you can put them on your lash line, you can put it on your eyebrow. That's all I'm saying. So that is the first thing in my box. The next thing I'm pulling out is a blush from Kimchi. And I love Kimchi Cosmetics. Very reasonable, very good quality. And this was on the other page. And it's very reasonable. And the Kimchi blush is $15. And this is in Pinky Rose, and it's great packaging. And if you don't know who Kimchi is, she's one of my favorite drag queens, and she has a makeup line that is fantastic. Ooh, my nose. Excuse me. Pardon me. Have you any Grey Poupon? Oh, and look at this. The packaging is everything. It's a beautiful heart. And this is the Thaler blush and Pinky Rose, as I just said. Let's see if I can open it with my big old nails. It is perfect. It is two colors in one, and this is a perfect color for me. Very excited about this. I've got a highlighter palette from Kimchi, and I love it. And I've got another blush over here from Kimchi that I really like. Next up is the Watermelon Glow, and this is a pricey bitch. And this is the Hyaluronic Clay Pore Tightening Facial, which I love all the watermelon products from Glow Recipe. Let's crack this open. I just caught the little spoon that comes with it. It's got a little safety thing to keep it from moving around, and it is gorgeous. It smells just like watermelon, and it is clay. I'm not gonna dig into it because that'd be a little messy because it's clay. If I can get the lid back on. Put this back in the box with the little spoon. And it says that this is a facial in a jar. It shrinks the look of pores, dual exfoliates and surges skin care with moisture, ideal for all skin types. Whipped hyaluronic clay combines kaolin clay and hyaluronic acid to minimize the look of pores while hydrating skin. Watermelon enzymes, PHAs, and willow bark, BHA, chemically exfoliates, declogs pores, and smooths the look of textured while gentle blueberry seed powder physically exfoliates. And you put this on clean skin. And you let it sit for a couple minutes. You can leave it on for up to 5 minutes and then you wash it off. Very cool. I did choose this, and this is from Laneige. And this is a lip sleeping mask in apple and lime. I know this is like 20 bucks. And this is a nice generous size. And I've used Laneige sleeping mask on my lips before. It smells great. It looks pretty. I love the green color. When I'm doing my nighttime thing before I put my CPAP on, this is one of the last things I do. And it's got a little dipper with it. Cute little dipper. But I always lose those dippers. But it's very cool. Very nice to have. It was one of my choices. Oh, this is from Herbivore Botanicals. And this is a lapis blue tansy. Is it? Now, is it really? It's emerald. It says it's emerald. And oh, it is emerald. I'm confused. This paper is making me crazy. Because it says that it's lapis blue tansy on the paper, but it's an emerald face oil, and it says it's $72. And as we know, face oils can get very pricey, and it is gorgeous. And it says apply AM PM 2 to 3 drops gently around gently. I'm gonna get my magnifying glass because it is real tiny. Gently onto your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. If serum gets into the eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. And because that paper is unwieldy, and this says take your skincare ritual to a higher emerald deep moisture glow, hemp derived cannabis sativa seed oil, and some herbs for a dose of smoothing hydration. And it contains squalene and all kinds of great stuff. And I can't wait to try it. I love a face oil, and that is just gorgeous. Let me smell it. Let's smell it. But I'm sure it's very expensive because this is a $354 box for the $55. Very nice. We love the good skincare. But I do wish we got more makeup in these boxes. We're getting a lot of skincare, you know. I want more makeup. I like makeup. That's just me. Next up is from About Face, which is Halsey's company. And this is Highlight Lock Highlight Fluid. And I do love a liquid highlighter. I used to not be into them, but I like to put them on underneath my foundation. And it gives me a good glow. Let's take a look. Oh, the top came off. Ooh, look at that disco bottle. Let's put it all together. It's very, very beautiful. Let's take a little dip. Ooh, it's gold. I don't know. Gold is not my favorite. But under the foundation, it could be fantastic. Ooh, that's a really pretty shimmer. It's very subtle. I've got some more blingy liquid highlighters than that, but that's very pretty. Let's see, and that is $32. Very nice, Halsey. I'm interested in using you. Then we have from Fenty Beauty a mascara, and it is the Full Frontal Mascara Volume Lift and Curl, and I love a mascara. I've got a huge collection of mascaras just waiting to be used. And it's gorgeous packaging. I'm not going to open it because it starts the aging process on it, but this is very nice and I'm very excited to have it. And that's like 20 something bucks, you know. And then finally from Aether Beauty, this is $58 because it's on this big page here. And it is the Moonlight Crystal Palette, Palette de Crystal Clair de Lune. Ooh, en français. But it is a gorgeous packaging. Ooh, there's a card. There's a card. It says, tenacious is the lioness in the face of oppression, unfaltering in conviction and clout. And it's like a card. It's very cool. Thanks, Aether. And it's got a little bit of angle to the packaging. I'm really excited about trying this because I haven't tried any Aether Beauty before. Let's see if I can open it up without breaking it. Oh, there we go. And it is gorgeous. Super pretty. Very excited about that. I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to do a video with it. But this is it's a good box. You know, a little too much skincare for my taste. But other than that, I definitely got my money's worth for the $55. So I got this beautiful palette. I got this mascara. I got a highlighter. I got a face oil. I got a great watermelon mask. I got, like, because lash treatments are very expensive. That's probably at least 50 bucks. The lip mask. And I got the Kimchi Blush. I'm very excited about this. There's a lot of stuff that I can't wait to use in here. So I'm going to give this month a thumbs up. Like, when I was looking at it, when I made the choices and stuff, I wasn't excited till I actually got the stuff. And now I'm excited. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. And we'll see you real soon.